好啦，睇睇呢個 comprehension one 啦。Albert Einstein 係邊個咧？就係愛因斯坦啦。咁啊睇一睇啦，愛因斯坦就係咁嘅樣噶啦。其實人哋就會稱佢為一個好偉大嘅科學家，得唔得？Was one of the greatest geniuses of all time。Geniuses 咧，即係其中一個天才。咁啊，上邊咧就同你講一講呢一個啦。記住咧，就係如果係 one of the 後邊咧嗰個名詞咧，嗰個係需要係一個 plural 嘅名詞，得唔得？一個 plural noun。咁所以你會見到佢加咗 es 㗎。Okay, born on 14th March 1879 in Germany, he went on to make hugely important discoveries in the field of physics。咁即係話佢係即係大約係80幾年出世啦，係德國人啦。咁佢就即係發明咗喺呢個物理方面咧，即係發明咗好多嘢。It is difficult to overstate how radical and important Einstein was to science and to the world in general。即係話咧，咩叫 overstate 咧？Einstein's father ran a business manufacturing electrical equipment. As a boy, Einstein himself enjoyed making models and mechanical devices and soon showed himself to be extremely skilled in math and sciences classes。咁呢度咧係講佢愛因斯坦嘅阿爸咧其實就係佢係即係其實係 businessman 嚟㗎啦。但係咧佢係主要咧 manufacturing 咧係即係解 produce 即係解製造。OK，produce 即係製造一啲嘅電子儀器。OK，electrical 係即係啲電子儀器啦。As a boy，Einstein 咧就係即係佢好中意做一啲即係啲模型啊，或者係一啲mechanical devices。好啦，睇睇呢個 mechanical 點解啦？mechanical 即係機械的咁嘅意思啊，即係一啲機械嘅一啲乜嘢咧？裝置。OK，一啲機械嘅裝置。mechanical devices 呢一啲機械裝置啦，咁即係話佢好細個已經中意一啲同電子啊或啲物理上有關嘅嘢。And soon showed himself to be extremely skilled in math and sciences classes，即係話咧佢喺科學啦或者係啲數學嗰啲科目，即係科學同埋數學科嗰啲裏邊咧成績係非常之好嘅。Unable to find a teaching job after leaving school, Einstein worked in a patent office at first。咩叫做 a patent office 咧？Patent office 咧係解乜嘢咧？一個專利局啊，即係話咧，譬如啲人咧申請咗一個即係發明咗一樣嘢啦，咁佢哋就會向嗰個呢個專利局咧就係話呢樣嘢係我發明㗎，咁所以呢個 patent office 就專係幫人哋去即係登記一啲佢哋嘅發明啊咁樣嘅嘢。咁愛因斯坦咧就係喺嗰度做咗一輪。係啦，咁佢 worked in a patent office at first。But in 1905, Einstein shot to prominence by publishing 4 revolutionary articles。咩叫做 shot to prominence 咧？即係突然間變得好出名咁嘅意思。shot 咧就 shoot 啦，即係又係即係突然間升起啦。prominence 我哋睇睇 prominence 點解啦。prominence 啦。就係解咧係好即係突然間獲得名聲啊，好似 gain 或者係 acquire prominence，即係獲得一啲聲望，即係話佢好出名，變得好出名嘅意思。OK，即係變得突然間好出名。咁啊，點解佢會突然間咁出名咧？就係因為佢咧就係 publishing 4 revolutionary articles。咁佢就出版咗4個呢個 articles，即係啲文章啊，即係一啲 writings。咁而咧 revolutionary 咧，即係非常之創新，非常係一個革命咁嘅意思，即係革命性嘅文章。你會見到咧，即係解革命性，即係話好創新 ，involving or causing a complete or dramatic change，即係話一個好大改變而改變咗人哋諗法嘅一個文章。They helped to establish modern physics and change the way we think about space and time。即係話去到1905年啦，即係佢呢一度咧，即係應該係廿幾歲啊！呢一度本來佢79年㗎嘛，21+5即係等於咧係26歲啦。26歲呢度出版咗4篇文章。They help to establish means build。而 modern physics 即係物理啦，咁同埋改變咗我哋點樣諗呢個時空，即係時空間同埋時間嘅一個睇法。 After more pioneering work, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. This was a huge honor for him。咁即係話咧，佢咧仲有再做，即係佢有再多啲嘅研究啦。咁咩叫 pioneering 咧？pioneer 咧即係一啲嘅拓荒者。係啦，呢個 pioneering 咧係解咧就係開拓性啦、首創啦嘅意思啊，即係 means 好似一個 beginner 去做咗啲嘢嘅意思。Pioneering work，he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics。咁跟住佢就攞咗呢個係諾貝爾和平獎啦，即係物理上嘅諾貝爾和平獎。And this was a huge honor。honor 咧即係解係一個榮耀啊，即係一個 honor，即係話咧 this is an honor，即係話對佢嚟講咧係非常之係一個榮譽，係一個榮譽。OK。Einstein was now able to travel and deliver lectures all around the world。即係話咧，佢咩叫 lectures 咧？即係話將佢嘅研究嘅心得或者佢知道嘅嘢咧，即係佢啲教導，咁啊周圍去即係去將佢嘅理念去講出嚟啦。When visiting foreign countries, he would often be greeted with great honor, like a king。即係話咧，人哋會當佢好似皇帝咁。因為其實佢好出名啊，真係。But in 1933, during a visit to the USA, Adolf Hitler came to power in Germany。咁即係話咧，嗰陣時就希特拉咧就係當權，希特拉二次大戰嗰陣時嗰個德國嗰個領袖。Einstein decided not to return to a country where he would be persecuted under a cruel government。即係話咧，佢係當時係去美國啦，咁而去美國咧，我諗係即係尋求一個政治庇護咯，即係佢咧就唔想翻去德國啦，因為佢知道如果佢翻去，因為佢係應該係猶太人，咁因為當時希特拉咧就會專係想要殺晒啲猶太人啊，或者要監禁佢哋，咁所以佢如果翻去嘅話咧，佢就會被佢哋所 persecute 啦，睇呢個 persecute 咧就會被佢哋迫害咁嘅意思啦。咁所以佢就唔想翻去呢一個德國，當時就係喺呢個希特拉政權之下嘅德國啦。Eventually，咩叫 eventually 咧 ？means finally。He settled down in America, becoming a citizen in 1940, and enjoying the freedom and lack of tradition compared to Europe。即係話咧，因為美國咧就係一個新嘅國家，而歐洲咧就有好大嘅歷史包袱，因為佢哋有好長嘅歷史。咁變咗咧。喺美國咧，啲人咧通常都會稱為自己話比較自由一啲啦，同埋佢哋會冇咁多傳統需要去顧慮，咁所以佢就好 enjoy 喺美國嘅時間啦。On 17th April 1955, Einstein died in Princeton, New Jersey. As well as being remembered for his extraordinary scientific work, his name has now become associated in popular culture with pure geniuses。即係話咧，佢就1955年死啦。咁都年紀都幾大喎 ，OK？ 咁當時佢係即係人哋都咩叫 he as well as being remembered，being remembered 即係被人哋記住咧，人哋就即係好清楚記得佢嗰個嘅科學上嘅工作啦。咁然後咧，仲有咧就係 his name has now associate with 咧 associate in 咧係即係令人聯想起。係啦，你會令人聯想起啲乜嘢咧？會令人聯想起咧，就係會係一啲popular culture with pure genius，即係話咧，佢一諗起一個天才咧，就會諗起愛因斯坦啦。His legacy will truly last forever。咩叫 legacy 咧 ？legacy 咧即係佢遺留落嚟嘅嘢，即係例如佢嗰個嘅科學上嘅突破啦，或者佢當時諗嘅嘢啦，都係會遺留落嚟，係會啲人係會記住咁嘅意思啦。好啦，而家現在咧，你明晒個文章咧，咁應該係好容易咧就會答到啲題目啦。咁what subject did Einstein excel at school？ 咁其實最主要最難咧就係呢個 excel 呢個字，即係 means good at 嘅意思。OK？即係佢好精通呢一個乜嘢嘅科目咧？咁頭先都有講過啦，就會話係佢好叻係乜嘢咧？就係math and science classes。 咁所以咧就會係he excelled at math and science classes。math and science 就得噶啦，同埋 at school 咯，寫翻，跟住記住 full stop。好啦 ，For how many years was Einstein a citizen of the USA？咁究竟佢係佢個即係市民係佢係美國嘅居民，究竟係做咗幾耐居民咧？咁佢話咧呢一度睇翻啦，咁佢就話咧，he settled down in America and becoming a citizen in 1940。咁即係話咧佢。呢一度咧，跟住佢就1955年死啦，咁即係話佢人生有15年嘅時間咧，都係喺呢一個嘅做咗美國公民㗎，咁所以個答案咧就係 Einstein was a citizen of the USA for 咁55減14啦，就 for 15 years 啦，即係做咗15年嘅美國公民。What does this in line 10 refer to？ 咁我哋睇睇呢個 this 啦，喺呢一度啦。咁而呢個 this 係指乜嘢咧？就係話，因為之前咧佢有講過咧，就係話佢they helped to 唔係佢話佢 after more pioneering the work he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921。咁即係話咧 ，this was a huge honour for him。咁即係話 this 係指乜嘢咧？就係指個 Nobel Prize in Physics 啦。即係話咧，佢係可以應該係 winning 或者 getting the Nobel Prize in Physics 咧 was a huge honour for him。咁所以咧，你會寫翻啦。This in line 10 refers to winning the Nobel Prize for Physics。係啦，咁即係話能夠可以贏到呢一個嘅諾貝爾和平獎咧，就係佢一個好大嘅榮耀。Was Einstein respected 即係受人尊重啦。咁係咪喺國際上都好受人尊重咧？咁你會答翻 yes 啦。He was respected internationally。咁跟住之後咧，你就會講翻咧。你 how do you know？ 你點知道嘅咧？咁呢度你會見到咧，佢話因為人哋係點樣啊？即係 when visiting foreign countries, he would often be greeted with great honour like a king。即係話當人哋佢去到另外人哋嘅國家，人哋會當佢係皇帝咁樣啫，就去即係款待啊。咁所以你點知道佢係好受到國際性嘅尊重咧？就係你 how do you know 咧？就係 he was respected internationally. He would often be greeted with great honour like a king。第五題啦 ，How did Einstein initially become famous？Initially 即係話起初啊，即係 at the beginning 咁嘅意思啊，呢個字，即係開頭嗰陣時點樣即係開頭嗰時點樣一開始就佢變得好出名咧？就係因為佢有講過咧，就係呢一個英文字啦。頭先我都解過啦，就 shot to prominence。咁你點知道佢係一下子變到好出名咧？就係因為咧喺1905年啦，咁佢咧就係 shot to prominence。咁其實最主要考慮呢個 shot to prominence 呢個字啦。咁究竟佢係點樣可以出名咧？就係因為佢 by 乜嘢啊 ？Publishing 4 revolutionary articles in 1905。咁其實留意下咧，好多時 how 咧你都會用個 by 嘅，因為佢問你 how 係怎樣。咁點樣會變得好出名啊？咁就係應該咧，你就會講啊 Einstein became， 因為呢個 did 啦，咁你留意下呢一個係 became famous initially by 你留意用個 by 啦，咁佢做乜嘢咧？就係 by publishing 4 revolutionary 頭先我有講過咩叫 revolutionary 咧，即係好創新、好革新嘅 4 revolutionary articles in 1905 1905年嗰陣時咧，出版咗4篇嘅文章。條問題啦 ，Why did Einstein like living in the USA？ 咁點解佢咁中意住喺美國啦？你會睇翻呢一度咧，就係話佢話佢 becoming a citizen in 1940。咁點解啊？就 enjoying the freedom and lack of tradition compared to Europe， 就係話美國嗰度咧係比較自由啲啦，同埋咧啲人咧係會冇咁多傳統嘅一啲嘅規範。咁所以咧就係問你 why 啦，咁你就會答翻 This was because he enjoyed the freedom and lack of tradition there compared to Europe， 即係話同歐洲比咧，佢哋係少啲嘅，即係一啲傳統嘅束縛啦。到第7題啦 ，Which word in the passage has the same meaning as victimized？ 咩叫 victimized 咧？咩叫首先 victim 點解啊 ？victim 係解一個受害者，即係一個受害人。咁 victimized 啦，睇啦 ，victimized 咧係使受害啦，或者使犧牲啦，或者使人哋痛苦。咁呢頭先我都講過啦，嗰篇文章裏邊咧就有講過話咧，係因為嗰陣時希特拉即係做一個領袖啦，係埃及喺呢一個嘅德國嗰陣時，咁佢咧就係 victimize， 咁究竟係咩字咧？就係佢係persecute 啦。頭先我解個 persecute 咧係真係被人哋迫害咁嘅意思，咁所以被人哋係啦 persecute 咧係解被人哋迫害啦，被人哋加害咁嘅意思啦，咁所以咧呢個字咧就係 persecute 啦。咁啊 ，which word in the passage has the same meaning as victimized 咧，就係應該係 persecute 啦。咁你就會寫翻咧persecute has the same meaning as victimized。好啦，睇睇呢一篇啦，係要 give short answers，咁留意一下啦。咁啊 ，Mary loves science. She receives this email from Science for Kids magazine。呢個 for 咧個4呢個代表乜嘢咧？即係等於 for 嘅簡寫。好多時咧，啲人咧係比較 informal 一啲文章啊，或者啲即係喺度玩緊呢個英文字嘅咧，都會寫個4字喺度。咁啊，Science for Kids 啦。Hi there, we know that you love science because you've subscribed. Subscribed 點解咧？係訂閱啦，訂閱咗我哋嘅雜誌咁嘅意思啊。Subscribe to Science for Kids，and so we are writing to tell you about Einstein mania。咩叫 mania 咧？即係佢呢個一個嘅項目啦。mania 咧即係狂熱咁嘅意思啊，即係話對於愛因斯坦嘅嘢都非常之狂熱。A series 即係一系列咁嘅意思。一系列嘅 events 啦 ，celebrating the life and work of one of the greatest scientists of all time. The events will take place between Tuesday 4th and Saturday 8th March. Here is the schedule， 即係3月份舉行嘅。咁你會見到呢度 last for 幾多日咧 ？Tuesday 至到 Wednesday、Thursday、Friday、Saturday， 即係總共5日啦。咁裏邊有好多呢啲咁樣嘅 interactive lecture。interactive 咧即係互動咁嘅意思。互動嘅一啲嘅，頭先我都講過啦 ，lecture 即係有啲講學啊，啲 teaching， 即係有啲人喺台上面傾偈講，即係講佢哋啲嘢嘅咧，就係叫 lecture 啦。咁啊 experiment 啦，實驗啦，呢個又有啦 ，theatrical show 啦，即係可能係一啲嘅係一啲嘅可能啲話劇咁嘅意思啊，叫 theatrical， 因為呢個字係 theatre 變出嚟噶嘛。咁啊，仲有一個 science project competition 啦。咁啊又有 presentation， 可能啲細路係會做咗啲 project 以後咧，就會做一個跟住就俾個表演，即係可能會頒獎。咁啊 ，all events will take place in the Oak Park School Science Laboratories， 即係呢個係實驗室。Except the show which will take place in the Oak Park school theatre and are suitable for children aged 6 to 11. Children who want to take part in the experiment session must 一定要點樣咧 ？Must be accompanied. Accompanied means 咧陪伴啊，即係一定要有一個乜嘢大人陪伴 ，accompanied by a parent or a guardian. Guardian 即係呢一個嘅監護人啦，即係唔係所有細路仔一定有一個父母嘅，可能係啦。All events are free, but places must be reserved in advance by filling in a form on the Science for Kids website. 即係話咧，一定要訂咗位先啦，即係唔可以話就咁就出現啦。咁點樣訂位咧？就係點樣啊？就係 by filling in a form on the Science for Kids website 啦。咁 those who want to enter the competition should contact Miss Linda Lee by calling her on 呢個電話啦，or emailing her at 呢個 email address 啦。咁we hope to see you at Einstein Mania。咁呢個 CEO 即係佢嗰個嘅總裁嗰個統籌啦，咁就會係叫 Henry Jones。好啦 ，how long 究竟要幾長？即係佢會 last for 幾多日咧？你會見到星期2至到星期6啦，咁係就咁寫5 days 就 OK 啦。另外 ，how can Mary sign up to attend the experiment session？ 咁一定咧，佢話要 places must be reserved。咁所以咧就係點樣答咧？就係 by 寫翻呢一度啦 ，by filling in a form on the Science for Kids website。咁喺呢個網上嗰度咧，就即係填一張 form 咧，就可以係 reserve， 即係可以預留咗一個位啦。Reserved in advance 即係預留一個位。第三啦 ，What is the name of the event which won't be taking place in the school laboratories？ 究竟有邊個唔係喺嗰個 won't be 即係唔會喺實驗室度舉行嘅咧？咁你會見到咧就係呢一個啦。The Wonder of Einstein， 因為呢一個咧，你會見到咧，就係佢係一個 theatrical show 啦，咁亦都有講過話 ，except the show which will take place in the Oak Park School Theatre。咁即係話，其餘嗰幾個咧都係應該係喺實驗室度舉行。佢話 all events 都係喺 science laboratories， 就係除咗嗰個 theatre 即係 theatrical show， 即係可能咧係重演咗呢個愛因斯坦嘅生平嘅一個 show。咁所以呢個events 咧就係 The Wonder of Einstein。應該係大草，因為係個名嚟。好啦，接住啦 ，Which is the longest of the events？ 即係究竟最長嗰個嘅項目係邊個咧？我哋睇一睇啦。咁5至72個鐘啦，呢個6至9個3，呢個2個鐘啦，呢個3個鐘啦，呢個2個鐘啦。呢個7至9點半係2個半鐘啦，哇！呢個9點至到5 PM， 當然呢個係最長啦，呢一個。咁所以咧就係應該最後嗰個啦，就係應該係 science project competition。好啦 ，What is Miss Linda Lee's job at Science for Kids？ 究竟佢呢個 Miss Linda Lee 嘅工作係乜嘢咧？佢係做邊一行嘅咧？咁 Miss Linda Lee 你會見到啦，你會見到其實佢嘅 email 你就會睇到佢其實佢個職責係乜嘢？佢就係一個 administrator， 一個 event administrator， 即係佢係呢個項目嘅乜嘢咧？一個睇睇啦 ，administrator 即係解係一個行政人員或者係一個管理者咁嘅意思。咁我哋寫翻啦，就會係你喺佢 email 度見到佢嗰個嘅職責啦。咁所以佢係一個 event administrator。咁由於佢係一個即係一個工作嘅項目，即係一個工作嘅職位啦。咁所以你兩個都係需要 capital letter 嘅。Which of the following sentences is true？ 咁 Einstein Mania isn't intended for children。intend 即係專係俾細路仔，咁唔係俾細路仔，錯啦，因為佢講乜嘢啊？佢係專係俾細路仔6至11歲㗎嘛。咁而另外咧就係 children must be accompanied before all events， 即係話咧一定要有大人嘅陪同啦。咁樣睇翻啦，佢話咧就係佢話係 children who want to take part in the experiment session， 即係話咧係要做實驗嘅細路仔啦。 先至係一定要大人陪同啫嘛。咁就係淨係做實驗嗰啲，咁呢個佢有一啲唔係淨係即係唔係實驗噶嘛？呢兩個都係啲 lecture 嚟噶嘛。咁所以咧，係唔係一定要係即係所有 events 都係咧？唔係咯。Most of the events take place in the evening。咩叫 most 咧？即係大部分啦。咁你會見到咧呢一個咧係其實咧就係5個裏邊咧有4個咧都係啲黃昏先至發生嘅即係先舉行嘅活動啦。咁係只係得一個活動係由朝頭早到晏晝嘅。咁所以呢一個咧就係 most of the events take place in the evening 咧係 true，因為 most 只係。咁另外睇埋 D 啦 ，most of the events are taking place at Oak Park School。到 D 呢一個啦 ，most of the events are taking place at 呢個其實係你哋嗰份已經改咗啦 ，Grove Park School。咁所以咧就係咁係咪 Grove Park 咧？咁頭先我哋都講過啦，一直都係 Oak Park 噶嘛。咁所以咧呢一個咧係 false 嘅。咁呢一個咧係一個錯嘅答案，因為唔係 Grove Park，係真正係應該係 Oak Park。好啦，接住到下邊啦 ，conjunctions 啦，睇一睇呢一個咧就係I am very excited 乜嘢 ？My mom has said that I can go to all the events of Einstein Mania。咁好 excited，因為咧點解咧？因為 because 咯。點解咁興奮咧？因為佢話佢可以俾佢去呢個 Einstein Mania 啊嘛。I'm missing ballet class 乜嘢 I can。留意呢個 can 咧。即係話我為咗可以做乜嘢，咁所以你會用 so that。so that 咧後邊通常都會加用一啲乜嘢咧 modal verbs， 一啲 modal verbs 例如 can 啦、could 啦、would 啦，因為咧其實 so that 即係為了啊嘛，咁佢會係為咗做一樣嘢，咁所以咧呢一個咧就會係用翻 so that 啦。為咗可以，即係佢唔返呢個跳舞堂都係為咗可以參加呢個 experiment session，but it will be worth it。乜嘢 I would like to enter the competition 啦 ？I feel too nervous 嗱，呢個見到咧係一個佢好想去，但係好緊張，咁所以呢個咧係 although。Although I would like to enter the competition, I feel too nervous. I'm good at science at school. But I don't think I could do a whole project by myself. OK， 即係話佢係 science 係好，但係就未必可以成個 project 自己做。Maybe I will change my mind. The events are being held at Grove Park School, which is very near my house, so it won't be hard to get there. I'm so excited. 好啦，接住啦，呢一個咧就係 form of word 啦。咁然後咧 ，Mary loves science as a 5-year-old. She 呢個咧，你會見到個 keyword 就係 for the first time。咁同埋咧，佢係同埋咧，你會見到佢 as a 5-year-old，即係話佢5歲嗰陣時咧就去過，咁所以呢個係 visit。跟住咧now she go there every week，因為 every week 所以咧就係 go， 即係佢已經係一個 habit，每個禮拜都去一次。好啦，接住呢個第3題啦 ，she 乜嘢 many science programs on television。咁呢一個咧，佢其實係意思佢睇咗好多個節目噶啦，咁所以係 has seen。呢個有少少難嘅一個題目啦，就係因為點解咧？即係佢話佢唔係意思係佢每日都睇嘅，而係佢已經 so far 睇咗好多啦。咁應該係 she has seen many science programs on television so far。其實有呢個即係有個隱藏咗呢個字咁嘅意思，即係 so far 已經睇咗好多。And says that she 乜嘢咧？因為 in the future 啦，咁其實最正確咧就係 she is going to work。但係咧，如果你係寫 will work 咧，都係可以接受嘅。咁點解係 she is going to 咧？即係佢已經係一個 decide， 即係已經決定咗嘅 future， 即係佢已經決定佢將來要咁做。咁當你想表達一個將來式係需要你已經決定咗講嗰陣時已經決定咗咧，你就會用 is going to 嘅。咁你會見到 last week 啦 ，Mary 乜嘢 in her diary when all of a sudden she 乜嘢 an idea for a science project to enter into a competition。咁即係當佢寫緊日記嗰陣時，突然間諗到一個 即係一個科學嘅 project 去做喎。咁但係咧就你會見到呢度有個 when，又有見到個 last week。咁你要點決定呢個係咩 tense 咧？咁你就要睇下呢兩個啦。咁佢係一定係寫日記嘅時間係長啲嘅。咁時候突然間叮咁諗到，咁所以呢一個 Mary 咧就係 was writing。即係佢喺度寫緊日記，當時咧寫緊日記，突然間咧 all of a sudden she had an idea for a science project to enter into a competition。佢話乜嘢 electricity in school right now 啊嘛，咁所以咧就會係呢一個咧就係 I am studying。Electricity in school right now, she thought, so I will do a project about it。跟住第八啦 ，she 乜嘢咧 ？Such a good idea for in her life。咁佢從來都未諗過，因為呢度你會見到呢度有個 never 啦。咁亦都係喺對話之外啦。咁所以其實咧就係佢喺呢件事嘅之前咧都未諗過嘅，即係話喺呢個上個禮拜之前嗱，再俾翻個 timeline 你睇，而家喺度。咁跟住咧就係佢諗到個 science project。咁但係佢意思咧就係突然間即係 thought of a science project 啦。但係喺呢件事嘅之前咧，即係由以前到呢一個時間咧，都係未諗過㗎。咁所以咧就係應該係由好耐之前到去 past tense 嗰段時間咧，都未諗過。OK，咁所以咧係好遠好遠，比起過去嗰陣時之前都已經開始未諗過，所以係 had never thought，即係從來都冇諗過。即係喺上個禮拜嘅之前一直都冇諗過，去到呢一個咧諗到啦，由而家開始咧全部都諗到點樣做啦。好啦 ，had never thought of such a good idea in her life. Mary finds it difficult to speak。咁你要加翻個 to 呢個 difficult to do something。To speak in public. She spoke at a school assembly 即係集會啦 ，which she did not mind too much because she knew the people in the audience。 好啦，睇睇個 riddles 啦。I was very thin at first and lived in the dark. Now I have many arms and stretched up to the sky. I am covered in summer and naked in winter。咁佢係一棵樹咯。咁開頭好瘦啦，即係好細一支樹苗，跟住之後咧就係黑暗，即係喺嗰個啲種子裏邊好黑暗啦。Now I have many arms 即係等於嗰啲 branches， 即係嗰啲樹幹樹枝 ，and stretch up to the sky 即係向上伸展。I am covered in summer， 即係 that means 咧喺summer 嗰陣時咧就會好多樹葉啦，但係 naked 即係赤裸裸，即係意思係冇晒衫，即係因為冇晒啲樹葉啦。咁呢一句咧呢一行咧係指嗰啲樹葉嘅意思。好啦，呢一個啦 ，You can open and close me, you can see right through me. I am found on houses and cars 係 window 咯。因為你可以開山窗啦，亦都可以睇穿個窗啦，亦都可以喺屋同埋即係啲屋同埋車咧，你都會見到有 window 呢一樣嘢嘅。接住 preposition 啦 ，Our amazing planet 呢度有首詩俾你啦，係用咗學校 preposition list 嘅一啲字。Look at the world around you, and you will jump for joy. There are so many wonderful things on earth for every boy and girl, a girl and boy. In the busy madness of modern life, slow down and watch the stars. We miss a lot of beauty in this life of computers and cars. Look out for little miracles. Grab hold of nature's charm. Nature's charm 即係大自然嘅一啲嘅魅力啦。Wait for the sunset and you will feel a stunning sense of calm。即係話睇呢個日落咧，你會覺得好平靜。And when you start to notice all these amazing things, bit by bit 即係逐漸啦 ，bit by bit you will appreciate 即係你會好欣賞 the wonder this world brings， 即係話呢個世界帶嚟嘅一啲美好嘅嘢啦。接住呢一度啦，synonyms 啦 ，synonym 係同義詞啦，即係一樣同佢一樣意思嘅字啦。咁 mad 咧就係 insane， 即係瘋狂黐咗線嘅意思啦。Cunning 咧可以係 crafty 啦 或者 sly。just 咧係公平咁嘅意思啊，唔係剛剛啊，咁所以係 fair。coarse 咧 coarse 即係好粗糙啊，好粗糙，但係咧好即係好滑就係啦，呢個但係佢同義詞，所以 rough 啦。好啦 ，antonyms 係解乜嘢咧？係反義詞啦。win 咧就係乜嘢啊 ？lose。enemy 咧 enemy 係乜嘢咧 ？friend。accept 啦 refuse 拒絕。Ken is running very quickly. I can't keep up。跟住用 to 啦，咁你真係話表達乜嘢咧？佢跑得快，快到你都追唔到啊！咁所以 Ken is running too fast 或者 too 唔係 sorry 呢個佢本身用 quickly。too quickly。好啦，呢度咧由於 Ken 同我係兩個唔同嘅名詞啦，所以一定要加翻 for me 啦。to keep up。James is too short. He cannot ride the roller coaster. OK 呢一個咁啊好啦，呢一個啦 James 啦，好矮啦，矮到係唔可以去即係去玩呢一個嘅 roller coaster 啦。咁呢個 James 同埋 he 係一樣名詞，咁啊唔需要 for 乜嘢啦。咁所以 James is not， 咁你要用相反嘅 too short， 即係等於 not tall enough to 乜嘢咧 ride the roller coaster。呢個 roller coaster 應該係兩個字嘅，你哋嗰份嘢已經改咗㗎啦。This house is small. We can't stay here。咁即係話呢間屋係好細啦，我哋唔可以逗留喺度。咁樣咧係乜嘢啊？即係呢個係用 enough 喎。咁即係夠，即係佢係意思乜嘢？唔太呢個細，即係等於唔夠大咯。因為佢話唔可以啊嘛，唔夠大係乜嘢咧？咁啊，this house is not small 咧，就會變咗係 not big enough 咯，或者 not 係啦 ，not big enough。咁呢個由於 this house 同埋呢個有個另一個名詞嘅，所以咧就係 for us to stay here。好啦，接住啦，呢一個啦就 article 啦。Here is an entry from Mary's diary。Tomorrow will be 因為 most 啫嘛係最啊嘛，咁所以係 the most important day of my life。I've never given a speech in front of such a large audience， 即係未試過咧係去演講嘅，係一班大嘅觀眾面前演講。Public speaking is always a nerve-wracking experience， 因為係一個咩叫 nerve-wracking 啦，即係 means make people nervous 咁嘅意思，即係令人好緊張嘅一個經歷啦。The event is taking place in 呢個第四啦 ，in the Oak Park School Science Laboratories。咁 winner 就只有得幾個嘅啫嘛，咁所以一定係第五題咧。The winner will be announced at， 因為時間係唔需要 articles 啦，咁所以係 4:30 p.m. I will be speaking at 10 a.m. so I will have 第七啦 a long wait。I practiced my presentation in front of my mother today, and she said it was very good。咁當然係唔需要有 preposition 啦。The original version lasted over an hour, so I had to cut it in half by half. I'm not worried about winning, but I want to do my best and have fun. Have fun 咧係數唔到嘅，所以咧就唔需要擺個 article 喺前邊。好啦，到呢一個啦 ，question text 啦。It's a shame I didn't win, but I tried my best. I did a good job。咁呢度咧，你記住啦，逢係 question tag 咧，前邊咧係一個冇 not 嘅句子咧，後邊就要加翻 not 嘅負面嘅句子。I did a good job， 咁 did 係 past tense 啊嘛，咁就 didn't I。咁呢個咧就會 didn't I。好啦，呢個啦，接住啦，第二個啦，Oh yes, of course you did. I thought you should have won. You can enter again next year。咁前面亦都係冇 not 啦，咁所以咧就係乜嘢啊？Can't you？ 咁係咪可以啊？咁佢前面冇 not，後面咪加翻 not 咯。can 就用翻 can，you 就用翻 you，就係咁簡單。接住咧呢一度啦，佢話yes but I don't know whether I will. It was a lot of hard work. You could enter。跟住呢個 could 啦，又係一樣係個正面啦。咁呢個所以咧就會變咗 couldn't 啦。couldn't you？ 即係反問你係咪真係可以啊？咁所以個音都係 couldn't you。I don't think I would be good enough. You are much better than me at science. Don't be silly. If anything, you are better than me. I have an idea. Let's do a project together. 好啦，呢一度咧 let's 啦，你會見到 let's 咧，逢係 let's 咧都會用乜嘢啊 ？Shall we？即係我哋一齊啊咁樣啦。